My name is Lily Colson, and I'm 18 years old. These are my three best friends, Em, Bex, and Sarah. And this is the story of how my town, Salem, lost its mind. But let's start at the beginning.
Dude, the principal got hacked.
I'll give him like 5 days before he commits suicide.
I'm sorry, I just don't have any sympathy for people that get hacked.
For real? There's two types of people in this world. People that have come to terms with privacy is just dead. Then there's the old people that are still trying to fight it.
What do you have to hide anyway, Lil?
A million nudes, super gross porn history, and like super pervy texts about almost everyone at this school.
Me too. Me three.
I think it was some like socially conscious vigilante hacker guy.
I live for this type of scandal, to be honest.
Looks like half of Salem just got hacked.
There's nothing anybody can do to get these videos down.
Unfortunately, sir, it's very difficult to stop the internet.
When 17,000 people's texts and emails get leaked, people get really weird.
Run, Lily!
Who sees a naked photo of a girl and their first thought is, yo, I gotta kill this bitch?
Where do you think you're going, Lily?
Way more people than you'd think.
This is your world. You built this.
Don't take your hate out on me, I just got here. You may kill me, but you can't kill us all.